This is Peter from TalkAndroid. We're going to show you how to power up your home screen today, and that's by adding a widget to your home screen. So first thing you need to do is just find an empty space on your home screen, like so, and long press. Now this brings up options, click on widgets, and this brings up a whole slew of options here. Default widgets as well as third-party widgets from all the apps you have installed. Let's get some food. So I'm going to long press this, okay, and that will bring us back to the home screen. Depending how your screen is set up, the Android system will automatically adjust how the other icons and widgets are located on your home screen, just to make space for the new widget. So if that's not possible, you'll have to scroll over to the edge to another screen. And if necessary, it will make a new screen for you, a new page. But we're just going to plonk it there now. We're going to lift our finger and the app will suddenly appear. Just like that, it'll bring up our favorite hamburger retailer. So this has been Peter from TalkAndroid. Thanks for watching.